So I think that's going. This is new vacuum. Oh, Maytag M1200. Yes. What was I gonna? I don't know. I worked in a department store for 3 years. Part of my job was pricing and assembling display models. So maybe I'll have some insight on the initial quality. And as you can tell from this thing, it's not lightweight. Right. Now, I might not be recording audio, but if I am, here's the Maytag, made in the USA. Hopefully that's a good thing. And yeah, hopefully it's better than the washer and dryer over there. That's all I can say. Anyways. Dum dum dum. Here am I in the freaking frame here. This is obviously my first attempt at a YouTube video and very horrible and amateur and low quality equipment. Whatever equipment. Tablet. There we go. Ooh, it opens up this way for safety. And hey, why are you being cute in the background? Come here. Darling. Here, go here. Oof. Now, what do we got? Maytag. Vacuum cleaner. So I think I will just go like this. Oh, that might be the best way to do it. Let's see what happens. Ooh, right. So Aaron, you'll like this, eh? You'll like that. Now, we've got packaging. Oh, the weight is all packaging. See, and it's not so much the country it's assembled in, it's the quality of materials. The vacuum scooter badness. And this hose is actually, seems pretty good. I've had vacuums with hoses that kink a couple times and then they get a break in them. That's useless. This is a nice rubber hose. I'm impressed so far. Okay. Now, oh my goodness. So I'm upside down here a little bit. And up we get this. We're going to save all the packaging. Alright, which there is no shortage of. And oh, maybe I should look at the instruction manual. Find them very useful. I knew you'd want to be in this, you little ham thing. There you go. No, no, Brody, don't wreck the packaging. Now, what does it say? Getting started. Important safety instructions, whatever. Oh, it seems you already know how to assemble it. I think Right. Yeah, it starts off with plugging it in, so I guess there's not much assembly here, just unwrapping. Right. So where's the bag this was in? Excuse me, pardon me. Now, here, why don't you go in here? Now, what do we got? Ooh, lots of bags. These will not be cheap to replace, but there's a few. Nice big fabric bags. Maybe there's one on there. Hopefully there's one already in there. Those. Now, this and this. What do we got here? This. Cord and handle. Ah, it's got an on-off switch on the handle. That's a good thing. And oh, that's fireplace on. I'm all sweating, isn't it? Now, that goes there. This goes here. Who's done it? You like it? Okay, now. Nice. Headlight, interesting. And here's some orange tape with the screw held in place. Then I will need a Phillips screwdriver. Will I? Yes. Dang it. I don't have one ready. Yes? No, I don't. I'm making a YouTube video of unwrapping the vacuum cleaner you got. Of course, she doesn't talk to me for like 2 hours. Real boring. Captain Box, hi. Right, this is. Oh. Now, this is a lot of stuff. But nothing shocking. And I think all I need to do first is unscrew this little screw. How do you do? Just need a vacuum air everywhere. Now, right is tight, left is loose. Unscrew this screw. Here we go. Now, and they had a piece of tape holding the screw in place. But it's certainly not. Wow, that's screwed in long ways. The screw. And hopefully this vacuum sucks. In a good way. Whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, what are you doing? Funny boy. The cat not included. What are you doing? What are you doing? You alright? Oh, there you go. Now, here, I got the screw out. Oh, don't lose the screw. This out of here. Oh, I'm gonna need scissors as well. Where's that knife? Whoa, buddy. Sharp, sharp. Danger, danger. Okay, scissors. Alrighty. No problem. Why is this light up? My goodness. Snip. So, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and scissors to get it open here. And fingers. Twist, tie, untwisting. Oh! It's important to breathe while unpackaging your new vacuum. What are you doing, Cat? Are you showing off? You being cute or what? Hey, oldie? Being cute? Because that's beyond my abilities. Okay, which way? Twisting. This way. There we go. Twist, tie, untied. And you might want to play with that. Hold on. No. Twist tie. The twist tie vanishes upon untwisting. That's amazing. Wow. That's all the packaging did that. Now, take this, is that where it goes? To store it? It is. That's where it goes in normal time. So here, spin this around. What does it have? We've got a brush. This brush here. How does it come out? Oh, twist and pull. Here's a nice brush. Nice soft bristles. Nice soft bristles there. You put it back where it was, and that's the only attachment. Oh, and there's the hose it's going to have to hook up. Shoot, whatever am I supposed to do? It doesn't say, because sometimes the order you're supposed to do things in. Polarization instructions, what the heck is that? Warnings for people in California, because they have vacuum regulations there, I guess. Assembling the vacuum, here we go, 6. Darn it, I thought I was not one of those jerks that throws away the instructions, because they can be very useful. Attaching the handle to the vacuum. Do not unplug the vacuum unit until it is completely assembled. The vacuum cleaner and handle are packed separately and require assembly. Move the handle, screw located, did that. Insert handle into the body of the vacuum. Figure 2. Like so. Yes, that's what I was going to do anyway. Here we go. Where's my screw? Right there. Now, what does it say? Bum ba da bum. Full header. Anyway. Insert screw and tighten. Okay. Dun dun dun. Screw. Brody, what are you looking at over there? Look this way. Look this way. He's so, he's way cuter when there's not a camera. Bum, 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 bum. This is how it's good. Right. Holy boring as heck. I can't believe anyone's watching this. Anyway, yeah, it's good. What is this? I can't comment on the price. It was 3,000 air miles, with supposedly 60% off. Happen to need a vacuum? Thought, why not look at the air miles? See if they're offering any vacuums, and they were. This one, 60% off. So it was the choice. Anyway, I would assume this is a definitely over $200 vacuum, just from my initial impressions. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I would say about that. No, about that, maybe more, like 250 plus. I wouldn't be surprised. Anyway. And I think, although I haven't seen a warranty card, it came with a 5-year warranty, so that's another indicator of quality possibly. Now, open the bag compartment to cover to ensure a vacuum bag is in place. And where's that? Vacuum bag compartment. There you go. Oh, got a bag in place. Excellent. And unfortunately, it's white, which will look old faster than black, but it was not. Down, nice. That's something that would break on cheap vacuums. That feels pretty good. Okay. Now, it's not ready for use. There's still a hose. Where's the hose go? Your vacuum is now ready for use? No, it's not. I have a hose to attach somewhere. What the heck? Assembling the vacuum. Do not plug it in. Blah blah blah. That's weird. There's totally a hose to attach somewhere. Oh, and here, there's another attachment. Oh, that's slickly hidden. How do I get that out of there? Now, the hose. It does not, you need to do more than attach the handle. There's a hose here. Where's the hose? Right. And it will go from there to there. Which way, though? Yeah, this is a bit of it's conspicuously absent. Now look at the diagram of the fully assembled vacuum to ensure all the parts are here. So where is the hose? Goes on which way? From the picture, I'd say it goes this way. Right? From here. Okay. So that, and then this is a little bit tricky too. There's 2 clamps here, and they're going in here, obviously. Right. So that's funny that this part wasn't in the instructions, it doesn't seem. Anyway, no big deal, I guess. Right, so this here, and this obviously goes around like this, let's say, and then all the way up to here. Or no, get the cord off of here. That's not bad, because that's where this goes. And then it sticks in here and underneath it. Right. No? Okay. Uh-oh. Maytag. It just dangles like that. Really. No, I find that hard to do. Tools off. Tools. What is this? Align arrows for carpet cleaning. Okay. Whatever. Tools. Tools off. Tools on. What is that? Tools off. Tools on. Okay, that's an excellent thing. That the power to this suction turns off and on. Because usually vacuums, they store here. And they have suction being wasted when you're using them. So that's a really good thing. I'm glad to see that. I was thinking I had a vacuum. The vacuum should do this. Excellent. So that will cut off the suction to the hose. But does the hose really swing around like this? There must be a better way to put it. It looks like it should go here. Right. It doesn't want to. Yeah, it doesn't seem to. Oh well. Where else would it go? I don't know. I guess it just dangles. Whatever. Now, that's the back. The hose goes from there. Okay. Got this. Hey, this is metal, which is good, I guess, for durability. Extends. Retracts. Now it goes here. Aha. Right here. Here. Right? And then like this. There it is. Done. Sexy. No. And everything, it says it's now ready for use. Excellent. So, when storing the vacuum, the code will wrap up like from here till there. So I guess I could do that now, or no, I'm going to see if it works. Let's see if it works. That's the test of doing this. And then it doesn't work. No. Hopefully it will, and what has this been, like 70 minutes long? 90 minutes. Where's the cord? Here's the cord. Right, ready to go. Now, and let's see, the motor head says I'll leave it on automatic, but there's settings for floor and low and max, whatever that means, which is the other way around there. Or high, auto, floor, low, and max. It doesn't want to turn to max, strangely. I don't know what max means. So low, floor, auto. Just leave it on auto. And plug it in. Check it out. Where's my cat? There you are. So, let's see. Here, Obi. Come here. Now, we'll see how loud it is from your reaction. Because you don't really like a lot of vacuum cleaner. Some you're okay with, but some you head for the hills. So, feline, what do you think? Dun da da da. Let's loosen that with this, and here's the on-off switch. Not too bad. Okay, here, let's test it out. We'll test here some flower petals. Flower petals and unmentionable disgusting dirt, and we'll have to get an area rug if that doesn't work. Flower petals, there you go. Let's see that. Hopefully, what else? More flower petals. Cha. Whatever. Great. Great. There they are. Flower petals and cigarette butts. Don't smoke. Now. Try again. Go. That's not normally a thing you vacuum up. You can get up on your own. But yeah, I got some. So, Maytag Upright 400 sucks. Decent. Have a nice day.